In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect workflow branches using Go to Other Action in Hubspot. When you build workflows, it is common to split records into different branches based on conditions. Sometimes those branches need to come back together, so they can share the same next steps. Hubspot makes this simple with an action called Go to Other Action, which lets you route one branch into another point in the workflow without rebuilding duplicate actions. Start by opening your Hubspot account and going to Automation, then Workflows. Find the workflow you want to update, and click the workflow name to open it. Take a moment to look at your workflow structure so you know which branch you want to redirect and where you want it to merge back in. It helps to identify the exact action you want all records to reach, because that is going to be your merge point. Next, go to the specific branch you want to connect. At the bottom of that branch, click the plus icon to add a new action. This is important. You want to add the connection at the end of the branch after it completes any branch-specific actions, so nothing gets skipped. In the action list that opens, look for the Workflow Control section and choose Go to Other Action. This tells Hubspot that instead of continuing down the current branch, the record should jump to another action elsewhere in the same workflow. Now you will select the destination. In the workflow canvas, locate the action where you want the branch to merge. Next to that action, click the target icon, sometimes shown as a connector. This selects that action as the point where records from your branch will continue. Make sure you click the connector next to the exact action you intend, because the record will enter right there and then proceed through the actions that follow. After you select the destination, go to the left panel and click Save. This locks in the connection you just created. Finally, to apply your changes, click Review and turn on in the top right. Review helps you confirm that the workflow is ready to run with the updated path, and turning it on ensures your new branch connection is active. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.